Are you looking for a way to reconnect with nature and spend quality time with your loved ones, but without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. We've scoured the depths of the internet, consulted with outdoor experts, and even tried some of these activities ourselves to bring you a collection of unique and inventive ideas for outdoor activities that won't cost an arm and a leg. So sit back, relax, and let's begin hiking on a budget. Are you ready to hit the trails and explore the great outdoors? Hiking is one of the most popular and budget-friendly activities for families, and it's easy to see why. The fresh air, the beautiful views, and the sense of accomplishment after reaching the summit are all reasons to lace up those hiking boots and hit the trails. But let's be real, hiking can also be an expensive activity with gear and trailside snacks adding up quickly. Don't let that discourage you though. With a little bit of planning and creativity, hiking can be a budget-friendly activity for the whole family. First things first, invest in a good pair of hiking boots or shoes. They will last for a long time and save money in the long run. This way, you don't have to worry about buying new shoes every season. Next, pack a picnic lunch instead of spending money on expensive trailside snacks. Not only will it save you money, but also it's a great way to bond with your family and enjoy the great outdoors. Lastly, utilize free trail maps and guides available online. With a little bit of research, you can find some hidden gems that are off the beaten path and won't cost you a dime. So grab your hiking boots, pack a lunch, and let's hit the trails. With these budget-friendly tips, you'll be able to enjoy the great outdoors without breaking the bank. Camping on a budget. Are you ready to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and spend some quality time with your family amidst the tranquility of nature? Camping is the perfect way to do just that. But let's face it, camping can be an expensive activity with gear rentals and campsite fees adding up quickly. But don't let that discourage you, my friend. With a little bit of planning and creativity, camping can be a budget-friendly activity for the whole family. One of the best ways to save money on camping is by trying car camping instead of RV camping. Not only will it save on gas and rental costs, but it also allows you to be more flexible with your camping destination. Another great way to save money on camping is by bringing your own camping gear instead of renting it. This will not only save you money, but also it allows you to be more comfortable with your own gear. Lastly, look for free or inexpensive campground options. With a little bit of research, you can find some hidden gems that are off the beaten path and won't cost you a dime. So grab your camping gear, pack your bags, and let's hit the road. With these budget-friendly tips, you'll be able to enjoy the great outdoors without breaking the bank. Happy camping, boating, and budget. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Ahoy there, my fellow adventure seekers. Are you ready to set sail and explore the great outdoors from a different perspective? Boating is a fantastic way to spend time as a family with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face, but it can also be an expensive activity. With boat rentals, fuel costs, and marina fees, it can add up quickly. But don't let that dampen your spirits, my friends. With a little bit of planning and creativity, boating can be a budget-friendly activity for the whole family. One of the best ways to save money on boating is by renting a boat instead of buying one. This way, you can try different types of boats and find out which one you like the most without the commitment of buying it. Another great way to save money on boating is by looking for free boat launch areas. With a little bit of research, you can find some hidden gems that are off the beaten path and won't cost you a dime. Lastly, bring your own snacks and drinks instead of buying them at the marina. Not only will it save you money, but it's also a great way to bond with your family and enjoy the great outdoors. Outdoor cooking on a budget. Bon appetit, my fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Are you ready to fire up the grill and enjoy a delicious meal amidst the beauty of nature? Outdoor cooking is a fantastic way to bond with your family, but it doesn't have to be expensive. First things first, plan your meals in advance to take advantage of sales and discounts at the grocery store. This way, you can save money on ingredients and enjoy a delicious meal at the same time. Next, bring your own portable propane stove or charcoal grill to avoid renting equipment. Not only will it save you money, but it also allows you to be more comfortable with your own gear. Lastly, utilize seasonal ingredients and locally sourced produce to save money on ingredients. Not only will it save you money, but it also helps to support local farmers, and it's environmentally friendly. Budget-friendly picnicking. Picnicking is a great way to spend time with your family and enjoy the outdoors, but it doesn't have to be expensive. First things first, pack your own snacks and drinks instead of buying them at the park. Not only will it save you money, but it also allows you to bring your favorite snacks and drinks and enjoy a delicious meal in the great outdoors. Next, look for free or inexpensive picnic areas. With a little bit of research, you can find some hidden gems that are off the beaten path and won't cost you a dime. Lastly, bring a frisbee, soccer ball, or other outdoor games to add some fun to your picnic. Not only will it save you money, but it also allows you to enjoy some fun and games with your family. Geocaching on a budget. Are you ready to embark on an adventure and explore the great outdoors in search of hidden treasures? Geocaching is a fun and budget-friendly way to spend time with your family and enjoy the outdoors, but it doesn't have to be expensive. One of the best ways to save money on geocaching is by using free geocaching apps and online resources instead of buying a paid subscription. This way, you can enjoy the activity without spending any money. Another great way to save money on geocaching is by bringing your own geocaching supplies instead of buying them at the store. This will not only save you money, but also it allows you to be more comfortable with your own gear. Lastly, look for geocaching events in your area. They are often free or low cost. This way, you can enjoy the activity with other geocachers and make new friends. Outdoor photography on a budget. Outdoor photography is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and spend time with your family, but it doesn't have to be expensive. One of the best ways to save money on outdoor photography is by using your smartphone or a basic point and shoot camera instead of buying a high-end camera. With the advancements in technology, smartphones' cameras have become quite advanced and can capture stunning photos. Another great way to save money on outdoor photography is by looking for free or inexpensive photography workshops in your area. This way, you can learn new techniques and improve your photography skills without spending a lot of money. Lastly, bring a tripod or other photography accessories that you already own. This way, you can improve your photography and create stunning shots without spending any money. And there you have it, folks. A collection of unique and inventive ideas for outdoor activities that won't break the bank. We hope this video has inspired you to get out and explore the great outdoors in a budget-friendly way. Remember, with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can enjoy a wide variety of outdoor activities without spending a lot of money. So gather your family, pack your bags, and let's go explore the great outdoors. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or just looking for a change of scenery, there's something for everyone. The memories you create and the bond you build with your loved ones are priceless. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment. We cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.